Hello friends, welcome to a new video about edge detection using Medipipe applications which we can utilize in our web applications and Android or Apple Play Store apps creating applications. So this is a pretty good edge detection in video. So basically the edge detection in image processing is easy, and if it is a single image the things are pretty similar. So but whenever it gets to videos it gets little difficult. So you can see the image the edge detection in this video is pretty detailed. Even you can see my hand, and even the eye cornea and the white part is also getting detected, and even you can see my window grills where it is getting detected, and in the upper part it's not getting detected because of the low intensity. So this edge detection can be utilized in various kinds of application in image processing, but in videos also it has many uses. We can utilize it for the motion detection as an pre-processing block. So we can even track the motion like threshold value. If you want to detect, you can utilize this video, because if the edges are moving, whichever calculated edges are moving in from one frame to another frame, then you can also detect the threshold value of the motion detection in a more precise way. I've done previous videos about motion detection where we are not using this edge detection as a pre-processing block. We have to see what are the improvements it will add in the motion detection. So other thing application can be utilized in X-rays and cancer reports, where basically it is an image. So there it might not add much value if it is if you are going for image processing based solution. But in kinds of a baby MRI scans which they do, or the MRI scans in which there is a video, or the brain scan in which there is a video, like from a different angles they are taking and forming a video, there it is might be useful. Even in the baby scan which they do for the whenever the baby is in the womb, so there we can detect a few anomalies in the babies using this edge detection. There we can utilize our apps, and other apps could be like making face filter apps like Prisma and other things. We can utilize it for in video filters. So this is also a cool filter actually, I believe, which might be used for the entertainment purpose, and even the and other video or photo editing apps. Come, let's go through the what all blocks are there in this Mediapie application. So in this Mediapie is basically an pipelining form of an coding they use, like keras or those the kind of things. So here the pipelining is done on blocks actually, which they call as node. So here they are using a few input blocks and input node, where we can do image transformation, which they say, like to flip or for what all things we can do, like flip it right or left or above, those kind of things. And next node is about the luminance. So it will add the luminance part to it, whether to store in RGB format, what all conversions, those kind of things it will do. Next, for the edge detection, it is using the Sobel edge calculator. We can play around with other edge calculators, whichever this Mediapie is allowing, and try to figure out their performance. So basically you can see here also it forms a diagrammatic form. Here the luminance block and the Sobel edges, and then the all the output frames are combined to form the video. So basically this this application we can utilize in various kinds of things. This in various kinds of apps development. So I'll be covering those in my future videos. So you can subscribe to my channel to know about this, how to utilize this Mediapie whatever they were open source for web applications and Android applications in APKs. And other thing which I wanted to tell is that the quality is pretty good. So even though it detects in good light quantity, there are few problems of edge detection in dark light. You can see it over here. My grills are seen here because of the light, but whereas it is dark, it is not able to detect those grills. So there are few review comments on those things. So you cannot basically use it for an darker environment. So those kind of limitations are also there. So to know about later more APIs released by Mediapie, or any other new APIs which are released, I'll be covering in my channel. and to know more latest news about in the AI world and various open source APIs. So that if you are an application developer, it will be very helpful to follow my channel, because I'll be covering the latest updates and you can incorporate those things into your applications. So thanks for watching. Bye.